Okay, so heading into clickbank.com, we're wanting to sign up for a new account. Now, I have already got an account, so I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to put in. So obviously putting your country, scrolling right up if you're here in Australia with me, name, number, contact number, email address, password. So basically what you're going to do is join the Clickbank family, and I'm just going to quickly log into my account. And that will take me into the dashboard where you will end up once you've signed up yourself. So this is the main page of ClickBank. This is where it's going to show you where all of your commissions will come in. Now, I do have two accounts. I started with my PowerHoop account, but I'm logging in with Christy M. Cam. Or Christy Cam. I have a couple actually. So my other account, Christy M. Cam, is a different login. So clicking on whichever account name, you can have several there as well for yourself. And just waiting for that to load. It will pop up in a separate window, and then I can show you the marketplace. So this is basically where you're going to go as a snapshot for all of your accounts. Of course, once you start selling product, it will show you exactly how much your refund, sorry, I'm just reading the refunds there, your earnings, if any refunds are applied, any chargebacks, and then your net value. So I'm just not sure why that's not loading. Let me see if I can quickly go in to, it's saying pop-up blocked. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just going to quickly go back because it's opened up here for my Christy Cam. So there will be some terms and conditions. It's been opening up that whole time. Let me close those down. So my computer actually had a pop-up block, so it allowed it through eventually, which was the delay. So in my Christy M Cam, this is my front page for that now. Again, just showing you that your main page here, I've gone into my Christy Cam here, and going down, you'll get a snapshot then of your daily earnings, your monthly earnings, and so forth. Like I said, this is a new account, so I haven't actually got any sales happening at the moment. For training purposes, I'm just here to show you where to go to start. So into Marketplace, up the top here, it will give you a panel down the left-hand side of all the different categories that have product inside. So you want to kind of pick a niche that suits you. I do fitness with my hula hoop, so I like to work in the fitness niche. So health and fitness would be my choice. In here, you're going to have a few different programs. It's going to show you the average conversion. Now, what is best to look at is your reoccurring gravity. So you can see here that there's been about 595, give or take, sales within this particular program. Now, I do have the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I am affiliate for that, so I'm happy to share the clone for that if anybody's wanting to actually go into this particular affiliate program. But what you want to do is actually look for a high gravity, because that means that a lot of affiliates out there are selling this product already. So it means that it's a popular product to represent. But you can scroll down and have a look at some of the different conversions. You can also see the gravity there on that one's not too bad as well. Diabetes Freedom is another one that I chose to represent. So you just basically, and also this one. So you can go through and pick out which product or which niche you want to represent. Now, simply going into promote, clicking on that is going to generate a hot link. This is your affiliate link that you're going to use for your customers to click on. Now, this is going to register you as the affiliate. Anybody making a purchase through this link will generate that commission sales back to you in ClickBank, and that's where your commissions will start coming in. So you copy that over. I like to use my notes book, so I'm just going to show you, I've got quite a lot of my affiliate links, so I would copy and paste that over into there. I'm going to bring that up in a second and show you which one I use, but always save that. Once you close out of this, that's now gone. You would have to generate a new hot link for that particular product. So make sure you keep that safe. I'm going to close out of it because I already have this particular product with me in my affiliate. So your affiliate page, it gives you an example of what your page will actually look like. So in here, it's got quite a lot of, so you can get your hot link inside of here as well. Landing page options, your pixel as well if you want to track people coming in and out, Facebook ads, also your commission details, but it gives you a bit of information about the particular product that you're representing. So you just want to have a quick look through each of these depending on which one you're going to. Some of them will have some great tips, also Facebook articles, some headlines that you can use, because Facebook is very picky with putting quick fix weight loss products, things like that. You really have to be careful what you're putting out there on Facebook. So it does give you a bit of an example, which is really good. Some of the other represented affiliate products will give you swipes, email swipes and things as well, which is what you can clone over from my particular Clone My Business page using the 15-day challenge. So it's all very generic, but what you would do is replace those swipes with whichever product you are representing here. Now, if you have a look, I was just going to try and show you how to see the actual landing page, but I'd have to go back into that directly. So this is just basically going to show you now the Okinawa flat belly one, because I do already have that within my funnel. So if I quickly, actually I'll head into my other page because I do have it here in my back office. So in your Groove, your front desktop will look like this. So this is your dashboard. So in Groove pages, and this is why I've upgraded in Groove, because I actually, being an affiliate marketer, I do have quite a lot of pages. Now you're limited with 3 in your free version, so be mindful of that. But heading on down to the belly fat. So this is the one that I've made up for this particular product. And I've just used the images that they've provided there as well. So just bringing over a bit of the copy from that. So heading in here to your main page. So this is the actual landing page that your customers will land on. So I've just used a little bit of the, once you've gone through this, it will load up the rest of the information down below once the customers have watched the video. But if you can see that I've sort of copied over a little bit of the wording and what it's about, just as a basic introduction. And then of course your opt-in. So they need to put their email and their name in to have access to that page. And in my pages, I've got a privacy policy, the terms and conditions, and the disclaimer, which I've also copied over from their page. So heading back over here, if you go down, most of the companies are going to have that down the bottom. So you can use that, and also their logos or any images that they have. Obviously, they want you to promote their product. The more people that promote their product, the more customers that they're going to get. So you're welcome to use any of those. Now, in email integration, so this particular Aweber component box is linked already to my Aweber. So if they put their email and address, name, address in, to configure it over here, the integration is already set to Aweber, which you will need to integrate your Aweber account. I have it set up so it goes into my legendary list. I do have quite a few lists over there, so I just choose to be in the legendary. And then the redirection for them, once they've clicked on show me the ancient tonic, it's going to take them to a URL, and this is where you're going to put that hop link. So you copy and paste your hop link over to this area, update it so that when anybody comes in now, puts their name and address in, their email's going into your list in Aweber, and then they're going to be taken straight to this page. It's going to be linked with your affiliate number. So anybody that makes the purchase inside of this now, today, next week, next month, will always come back through to your affiliate link. So you will always get that commission. So that's a bit of a intro on marketplace in ClickBank. So again, choosing your niche, choosing your product, and then getting your hop link and taking it over to your Groovefunnels, creating yourself a quick opt-in page so that the customers will come here first and then they'll be taken to your affiliate link. Now, just one more thing, when we publish this to the website, I've used my own domain, christymarie.com. That all comes in more training, but you can also use the Groove pages, just making sure that you change the domain name up here. You can edit that so that it comes up with your own, but it will be generic to your name or whatever you choose, business name .groovepages.com, and then I just subdomain it to the Okinawa so that I can relate to that when I click on it. So this is the actual link now that I will share in Facebook ads, on TikTok, or wherever I want to direct traffic to that particular affiliate page. So this is your new website that you will copy over, and for each of the ones that I have represented in affiliating with, they all have their own. So the Diabetes Forum, which I mentioned, again, it's a quick opt-in page. It allows me to gather the email, gives them a tiny bit of information about it. They enter their email in. Again, the actual, if I can click on it. So the email box itself, the Aweber component is highlighted now. Clicking the little pencil button, taking it into configure. Again, it's integrated to Aweber with Legendary. Once they click on find out more, it takes them into my affiliate link through ClickBank, which I have copied over and pasted. Publishing that, I've used my christymarie.com, but I've used Diabetes Freedom as my subdomain, and this is now the URL that I would send to people and direct them to here. So I hope that helps you to set up a basic ClickBank opt-in page using the clone in our, where will we be with that one? Sorry, I'll just try and find, nope, that's okay. So when you're looking at cloning over one of the 3 clone websites that we have available for you in Clone My Business, I highly recommend the 3rd. That way you've got your opt-in page and you have a bridge page if you want to add that, and you would just change the wording around to suit what product you're representing. So I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, let me know, drop it in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to do a training with you.